Morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government past question. Question number 34 says Nigeria adopted a federal system of government because of dash. Nigeria adopted a federal system of government because of that. So the question means, why do we practice federal system in Nigeria? Why? Option A say the fear of domination of minorities. B, uneven development. C, the availability of limited resources. D, the adoption of a state religion. Now, why Nigeria practice federal system is the fear of domination of minority. That is, in order to avert the fear or to remove the fear that dominates the mind of the minority groups in Nigeria, so that they can have a sense of belonging. So Nigeria adopted federal systems. Option A is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.